Hi viewers, I hope you're doing well. I'm here with a video where we will discuss about the AWS Amazon Q model, which provides generative AI powered assistant for accelerating the software development and leveraging the company's and internal data. So here is the official documentation: aws.amazon.com and /q. After that, you will see the screen. Meet Amazon Q. Amazon Q is the generative AI assistant that performs how work get done in your organization, with specialized capabilities for the software development, business intelligence, analyst, and contact center deployment. And Amazon Q products are. Here are the Amazon Q products. I am Amazon Q, your AI assistant. Ask me anything to start the conversation, and you will get the Amazon Q freely by using the VS Code. If you are using the VS Code or you are a developer, then it's very beneficial for you, because you just need to give a command and the code will be changed or modified according to your demand. Okay, and then Amazon Q developers. Amazon Q developer is the most capable generative AI powered assistant for the building, operating, and transforming the software, with advanced capabilities for managing data and AI or ML. Everything will be smooth, but we can see that which models they provide or which models are free to use by using the Amazon Q, and generative AI assistant for the business intelligence is here. And now furthermore is an industry leading enterprise AI solution customized for your organization. 50% highest reported code acceptance rate of any code assistant that suggested multi-line code. 50% highest reported, which is very positive result. And 4 lakh and 50,000 hours saved from the manual technical investigations. Nowadays the development through the AI is very high, and because of a short time, good achievement, and error less, everything maintained by using the AI or coding agents, built-in, managed, and secure data connectors. Everything is here in the Amazon Q. Then we can go to the Amazon Q to get results or see how to use freely in our code base. And Amazon Q is connected with code, content, databases, and applications. Everything is here which we need as a developer. So we can go further. You can open your VS Code, and then here you can click to search the Amazon Q, and you will see the extension here. Everything is now maintained, and I have already installed. You can install here the most capable generative AI powered assistant for the software development. So after installing, you will see the icon of the Q, Amazon Q, and the chat will be open here in the chat options. You can just see here there are two chats. I have closed the one chat, and then you can see here there are some models which are totally free, and the models are Claude Sonnet 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4, and then Haiku 4.5, DeepSeek 3.2, Minimax 2.5, and these are all models. These are all models are free, and you can use these models in the development purpose. These models will be give you the good results, because the folder structure and every stuff is already trained in these models. There are a lot of work on it, so you can just write down hi, it will give you the result. Here is the result. I have just changed the model, and some model sometime will not work, will not give you the result. Then you can switch your models, and you will get the results. Every the single project, large scale project, will be work on it. Please read my code and make changes or create a new project. Everything will be done according to your command. So please watch, share, and subscribe my video, and please comment if you want anything or any tool, or if you want any project coding related, then we will build by your demand. And stay with us. Bye bye.